No, this has been good because this is.
I have to be a little bit closer.
Okay, nice athletic stance.
Okay, fundamentals. Finish strong.
This defensive work that this team does.
Defense.
This defensive work.
With the kicking.
All right. Oh.
Nice.
Dylan, look up. Dylan, look up.
Good job, Jake. Come on, get the block. Get the block.
Oh, man, that was a good pass. Oh, that was a good pass. See the ball.
There it is. Nice.
Nice. That way.
Oh, I think it peaked it.
Foul. That way.
That's all right, gotta go.
Wait, Jackson. Good job, buddy.
Okay, get a steal here.
Hey,
Now
come
kinda
on. Good
finish off
defense,
strong,
Jack.
finish
Good
off
defense.
strong. Good defensive stance.
Come on, keep your fundamentals.
He's not going to give up the ball. There you go. Look up.
Get it, Weston. Come on, there it is.
Nice. Oh.
Jackson, finish strong.
Great
rebound. Good job. Nice play.
Oh, he should have stole that ball right there. It was bouncing around in front of him, and he was.
Foul straight up.
Shoot it! Rebound!
Oh!
Yeah! Yeah!
Good for him. That was a great shot.